Hello guys, welcome to our channel, and in this video I'm gonna show you how to download any reel from TikTok apps. So for that is a very simple process. So if you found any reel is very good for you, so just click on reel, any reel of TikTok. It's playing now. I just click on three dot here and you can find multiple option here. So you just simply click on the save video. So when you click the save video, it started downloading here. So you can see that 50% saving. So this is the process how you can download your own reel from your TikTok app. So this is a very simple process. If you found this video very helpful, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye, take care.